Subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications of the coming episodes. And don't forget to comment.
Viewing this was almost part of the experience in enjoying the journey together.
Also, what I want to share with you people, where we traveled, where we shot, it not only ignites your desire to go those places, also you can find some different angle, not the camera angle, different angle to roam about, to move, to see the different culture,
Right,
to
that's
mingle
right.
with different peoples,
Right.
different culture, different food habit, different kind of music,
Yes, that's what I'm
different
saying.
kind of lifestyle.
When there are dolphins in the bay and kites in the sky, know you are in Goa with your spirit soaring high. The Dolphin Bay offers you a floating view of the central jail Aguada. No longer housing prisoners, this jail is soon to become a museum. Fort Aguada used to be the most vital Portuguese fort built in 1612. It served as a defense guard against the Dutch and the Marathas, a good space to walk about with a grand view of the Arabian Sea.
थोड़ा ताली बजा सकते हैं सभी लोग।
Now if you are in a mood for an evening cruise with booze, the Mandvi River Cruise is just the thing. With rhythmic Guwani songs and shimmering lights on the water, the experience is different.
कोकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच कोरया राजभास कोकणी आमची गोंयची भास तीच
the most happening beach, Baga. We had stayed in Veronica guest house in Kalangute, and all the 8 days we spent there, we went about seeing Goa on a hired bike. One glimpse of sand football and I forgot my age. Still have the passion of my football days. Not bad, huh? The sun dips, beats boom, and you are drawn into the irresistible nightlife with yummy seafood and booze. Rocky Anjuna, a lonesome beach. Just in case you are in the mood, there's a flea market just at the entrance to the beach. We spent some quiet hours sitting on the rocks. Oh, and don't miss parasailing at Kalangute. It is a heavenly fly and dip.
sizzling food and a splashing sea, Goa is a place where you love to be. Swim for a while, ride out on your bike, grab a drink in a shack, then walk for a mile. The coconut trees will sway to a song, not a worry on your mind, not a day gone wrong. There is freedom in the air and warmth in the sun. You'll be tanned and happy when the days are gone. Travel on. Whenever we are visiting a place, we love some things, We love to mix with the people there. We love to have their food and be in their houses and see their lifestyles and everything. That really is something very exciting. And something very dumb happened this time. I must say this is funny. We were in Tawang. We did not have any booking, okay? Because from here, as we had planned really late, okay? There were very few hotels and nothing was showing from here. But then when we got there was nothing. Up till then, whatever place we had gone to, we had really nice hotels, lovely green surroundings and a lot of quiet, something that we look for, going from this bustling city. So in Tawang, ultimately being tired, we settled on a Bangali hotel. Okay, it was a Bengali hotel.
Just let me get okay.
No, please.
Just the initial thing. When we stopped there, and our driver Raju is saying, "You can check this. That's a good hotel." So I went there, and I asked, "The room is available?" They were saying, "Sir, this is Bengali hotel. You will have all the maj bhat." I thought, shit, we're not used to have maj bhat, dal, chachori.
And there I was sitting in the car waiting for him to book a room and come back, and suddenly I heard, "Hey, coffee এসে গেছে চলে এসো," and it was from the third floor, by the way, and I was down there in the car, inside the car, with most of the 3 of the glasses up, and I could hear that, and I said, "Oh my god."
By that time it was around 7:30.
7:30 or something,
And it was
but
raining and foggy,
Yeah.
misty, cold.
and I was thinking how to just pass this damn night. One night, and they were screaming everywhere. Somebody was screaming that they don't have soap in their toilet, that they had come the day before and they had complained 5 times. And then somebody was, discussing
Screaming
with
about
others,
pakoda.
about the night's dinner or what they had earlier that day. And that was going on, and I was just praying to God, please God, one night.
You can win prizes through Lucky Draw. Just comment here in the comment section of the video